So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code for free without spending even a single dollar. And this video is going to be a little different from the usual videos you see online, because I'm not just going to show you some website and tell you that it works. I'm actually going to show you the method that I'm using right now. As you can see, I already have Claude Code open on my PC, and you can see that these models are already connected and working. And just to be clear, these models are not connected directly through Claude. They're connected through the website that I'm going to show you in this video. You can see right here that it's actually responding to my questions. So once you have this connected to your local PC, you can use it for your own projects and let it help you with coding, building features, fixing bugs, and a lot more. And the best part is, you don't need to pay anything for this setup. I'm also going to show you later in this video how you can take this even further and get much more usage from it. So, let's get started. Let me show you exactly how you can set this up. First, I've given you the website link in the description. Just click on that link and it will take you directly to this page. Here, you'll see a login option. And this is a very important step. You need to log in using your GitHub account. I highly recommend using a GitHub account that is at least 6 months to a year old. If you're using a brand new GitHub account, you might face some issues while trying to log in. So, make sure you're using an older GitHub account if possible. Now, click on the GitHub option and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see several options on the left side, like dashboard, API tokens, usage, logs, wallet, and personal settings. You might also see this pop up when you first open the dashboard. Just close it. After that, you can see your current balance here. In my case, I have $175 in credits. Now, let's move on to the actual setup. First, we need to install Claude Code on our computer. Just search for Claude Code and you'll find the official Claude Code page. You can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'll click on the Download for Windows option. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, install Claude Code on your computer like you normally would. After installing it, open Claude Code. Now, you'll need to log in. You can simply continue with your Google account. I'm using my normal Gmail account here. As you can see, I'm logged in with a regular free account. And you'll notice that Claude Code is asking me to upgrade. But we're not going to use the normal Claude Code setup. We're going to connect our own models instead. So, if you're on Windows, click on these 3 lines in the top left corner. If you're using a Mac, you'll find the Help option in the menu. Click on Help, then go to Troubleshooting. In the Troubleshooting section, you'll see the Enabled Developer Mode option. In my case, it's already enabled, so it's not showing here. Just click on it, let the application restart, and then you'll see the Developer Mode option. Once it has restarted, click on the 3 lines in the top left corner again. Now, you'll see the Developer option. Click on it, and you'll see several different options. Click on that. You'll now see a new window. By default, you'll probably see the Gateway option selected, and that's exactly what we need. Under the Credentials section, select Static API Key. The next thing we need is the Gateway base URL. To get that, go back to the website we opened earlier. Go back to the dashboard, and on the right side, you'll see the API option. Click on it, and the Gateway base URL will be copied automatically. Now, go back to Claude Code and paste that URL into the Gateway base URL field. Next, we need the Gateway API key. Go back to the website again. On the left side, click on API Tokens. Then click on Create Token. You can enter any name you want, for example. Now, make sure you select the option and enable the Unlimited Quota option if it's available for your account. Then click on Submit. You'll get your API token here. Copy that token. Now go back to Claude Code and paste it into the API key field. For the Gateway Auth scheme, select Burr. Once everything is filled in, click on Save Changes. Claude Code will restart again. And now, as you can see, Claude Code has restarted successfully. Notice that the upgrade option is no longer appearing. That's because we're no longer using the normal Claude Code interface with the standard account. You can also see Gateway at the bottom left corner. And if you look at the model section, you'll see that our models are now available here. So, let's actually test it. I'm going to ask it to create a simple HTML game. For this test, I'm going to ask Claude to create a complete snake game in a single HTML file. And now let's see what happens. As you can see, it took some time to complete the task, and the game has been created. Let's open it in Chrome. And there you go. You can see that the snake game is working properly. It's a complete HTML-based game, and all the controls are working as expected. Now, let's check the usage. If you go back to the website, you'll find all the consumption data and analytics here. You can see the total usage, model usage, and other details. And if you check the usage section, you can see exactly how much you've consumed. In my case, you can see that the usage is still under $0.50. Now, let's talk about the part that can make this setup almost unlimited. I'm not going to lie to you and say that the credits are literally infinite, but there is a referral system. For example, when you refer a friend, you can receive an additional $150 in credits, while your friend can receive $175, depending on the current offer. So, if you have friends who are interested in trying this out, you can use the referral system to get additional credits and keep using the service for much longer. I've personally tested this setup, and it's working fine for me. So if you want to try it yourself, I've put the link in the description. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video with another useful trick or tutorial. Thanks for watching.